In addition to the one-to-many or many-to-one relationship and the one-to-one relationship, we have another important relationship type, and this is the many-to-many relationship. For this, we have another example here. We have two tables again, one table being named employees and one projects table. Both of these tables contain unique values only. This means we have single entries for each individual employee and for each individual project or project task. Now, again, the assumption here is that we have normalized data. This means each of these tables should contain these unique values, and we are not allowed or able to change this fact. This assumption is important because the idea could be that, well, actually one employee can be assigned to many projects. So for example, the query data project can have two people assigned to it, Max and Julie, for example. But on the other hand, one project, for example, create a visual, might be handled by multiple employees. Now, for both of these tables, we have to create a many-to-many relationship here. And the problem is that by keeping the actual table structure with the unique entries for each employee and each project, this is not possible. Establishing a direct connection, so to say, by using foreign keys in the employees or projects table is not possible without changing this underlying structure of the tables. The solution here is to create a so-called intermediate table. This table stores the relations between the employees and projects table. So as you can see here, our first entry, for example, contains the employee ID, myself in this case, so 2, and at the same time the project ID I'm assigned to, so the project I'm assigned to, 1 in this case. So each row contains one specific relation between the two main tables here. We could have also other entries, a second entry, for example, with another unique ID. Here we have a different employee ID, 3 in this case, so this would be Julie, but we have the same project ID. So this means both myself and Julie are assigned to the Learn Power BI project here. Now this would be a many-to-many relationship because the next entry could, for example, again be the employee ID 2 here with the project ID 3. So we could have different combinations, different many-to-many combinations between these two tables, which could all be reflected and created by using such an intermediate table. So this is the many-to-many case where we have normalized and perfectly prepared data. Unfortunately, when working with Power BI Desktop, we might have situations where we have not perfectly normalized data and where we also might have to create such many-to-many relationships. For this, we'll have a look at another project example now and see how we can solve such problems then.